So if we start here, overhand, the overhand cap, together time, or same time rather. Okay, and then we'll turn 180 degrees to the right to underhand in the cap. Yeah, you should be underhand there. Underhand, underhand. Yeah, so up and out and down, up and out and down, up and out and down, up and out and down. Now go all the way around over the top, back to overhand, turning left, back to the overhand cap. Now switch your feet so that we can turn to the left. Now come all the way down across the bottom and come out and underhand on your left side. And we're in the underhand cap here. And then we'll go all the way up and over to overhand again, back to where we were. And then bring it down and we'll come under the right leg and then up into chasing the sun. And again, and again, and again. Now come under the leg again. Right leg, right poi, under the leg, up to chasing the sun, up to your pinwheel, make it big, make it big, make it big. We're gonna turn 360, back to the pinwheel, down to the overhand weave on the left, turn right to underhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, step your left foot back, turn back to overhand weave. So we did a right 360, do a right weave 360, and then we'll do a left weave 360. And then again, we'll go to the right. And then again, we'll go to the left. So weave, turn right 360. Weave, turn left 360. Weave, turn right 360. Weave, turn left 360. Into overhand, chase the sun counterclockwise. And then we're overhand on the left, sweep back, turn right. Step your left foot forward, your underhand, sweep over the top away from me. Step your left foot forward, sweep back toward me. Step your left foot forward, sweep over away from me. Step your left foot forward. Now if we did that a little faster as one movement, it would be the low sweep, step, high sweep, back to where you started. So it's a right turn 360 in chasing the sun. So 5, 6, 7, 8, low sweep, step left, sweep over the top, high sweep, back to where we started. 5, 6, left foot forward, 7, 8, and right turn low, step over and go over the top, back to where we started. 5, 6, 7, 8, low sweep, turn right, high sweep, turn right, back to overhand. 5, 6, 7, 8, low sweep, and then high sweep, and then we're back here. Now put your right foot forward. Now we're going to do the left turn. So we'll do the low sweep, step your right foot forward, then high sweep, back to where you were, step your right foot forward. And that's the left turn 360. So it's a low sweep, step right, sweep over the top, step again. Now we'll try and connect it together a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn left, low sweep, step right, come over the top, back to where you started, put your right foot forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn left, low sweep, step right, come up over the top, back to where you started, step your right foot forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, left turn, low sweep, step right, come up over the top, step right again. 5, 6, 7, 8, low sweep, turn left, step your right foot forward, come back up over the top. You're in overhand on the left, chase the sun counterclockwise. 1 and 2 and 3. Now on this fourth one, go under the right leg and back up to pinwheel and together time pinwheel. And bring the pinwheel down into the corkscrew, turning to the left in together time. Now we're going to come under the left leg, under the right leg, back up over the top, under the left leg, right leg over the top, under the left leg, right leg over the top, down into the corkscrew. Now we're going to turn it into your counterclockwise sprinkler. And sprinkler again. Now on this fourth one, turn 360 degrees to the left, back to the front, and then sprinkle. And again with your cap. One more time with the cap. We're going to left turn again 360. And again, we'll do the reverse into the anti-spin cap. And 2 and 3 and 4. Now we'll do the 360 turn again. We'll do a fourth one. Do your sprinkler. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to turn left 360. Now, do your anti-spin, anti-spin, anti-spin. Now go 2 positions so that you're facing away from me, and anti-spin, 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 anti-spin. Now anti-spin and go 2 positions away from me. And actually, you know what? Turn to your right, and we'll go from anti-spin here. And then when we go 2 positions, you'll be able to see me. So in the anti-spin, you'll go all the way around to the other side, so you're facing this side. And then on this next one, anti-spin, back to where you started on this side, and cap, and cap, and cap. And now anti-spin to the other side, bum, 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 and cap, and cap, and cap. And now we're gonna anti-spin to the other side, boom, 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 and cap, and cap, and cap, and anti-spin to the other side, and cap, and cap, and cap, and anti-spin to the other side, and now come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, turning to the left, and come down and tap on the left side, change directions and clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right. And now sync up the timing, together time, then come under your right leg, under your left leg, up over the top, under your right leg, under your left leg, up over the top, under your right leg, under your left leg, up over the top, and 4th time, under the right leg, under the left leg, up over the top, split the time, plane shift it up, come up into pinwheel, turn to the right in the giant, and then turn left to underhand giant, turn right to overhand giant, turn left to underhand giant, turn right to overhand, and swivel, 2, and 3, and 4. Now we're gonna chase the sun clockwise, 1, and 2, and 3. Get ready on this 4th one, come under your left leg, and then up into the pinwheel, and go big, 1, and 2, and 3, and turn to the left, 360, and back to the pinwheel, and turn right to the overhand weave, left turn 360, and right turn 360, and open it up here in overhand, chase the sun clockwise, 1, and 2, and 3. Now come under your left leg, then come up to the pinwheel, then go big 3 times, 1, and 2, and 3. And now on this 4th one, turn left 360 degrees, and back to the pinwheel, and come into chasing the sun again. Turn right to overhand weave, left turn 360, right turn 360, come back to the right side, open it up, stall the right poi between the legs, turn left to butterfly, turn left, tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly, turn right, tap, stall, butterfly, turn left, tap, stall, butterfly, thread the needle, plane shift it up over your head. Take your right point, come down, tap it on your butt, turn left, turn left, turn left, we're turning, we're turning, we're turning, we're turning, we're turning, come back to the front, counterclockwise corkscrew, bring it up to pinwheel, come down on the left, and chase the sun up, over, wrap up the poi, you're in short poi,